Okay, so first question. First question. So that is 9 maths. Question number 1. Exercise 15.1. So I don't have the book, just check it. A batswoman out of 30 balls, she hit 6 balls. Okay, so what is the probability of didn't hit the boundary? Is it the question? I hope is it the question. Okay, so total number of balls 30. Okay, she hit the ball, that is number 5. Okay, and she didn't hit the ball, how much? Tell me. How much? Tell me, everyone. Ornesa, Protoy, Raima, Ritika, Subham, Priyangshu, Suhid is not there, Priya is not there, Sohelika, Sneha is not there. Okay. So, yes, 24 balls she didn't hit or he could not hit anyone. Okay. So, 30 minus 5, 24 balls he could not hit. Then the probability of didn't hitting the ball. Now I have told you the definition, empirical definition, that is total number of cases or possible number of cases, and in the numerator favorable cases. So total number of cases here 30, and favorable case here didn't hit. Didn't hit is the favorable case. So didn't hit how many balls? That is 24. So 24 by 12. I hope you will can calculate it. 6, that is 4 by 5. Got it, everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. It is clear to all of you. It is clear to all of you. Okay. Okay. Next question. Now question number 2. In a 1500 families, 2 children were selected randomly. The following number of girls and family. Okay. Okay, so in the table it is given that number of girls in family 2. So 475 families have 2 children who are girls. 1, that is 814, and 0, that is 211. So question is, compute the probability of family chosen randomly 2 girls. Okay, so total number of families. Question number 2. Total number of family, that is 1500. Now question is choose a family probability of equal to the number 2, probability of number getting 2 or 3, number of families having having two girl child. Okay, first of all, here also we used empirical formula. Total number of families, that is 1500. And tell me from your book how many families have only two children, and two children are girl child. 475. Yes, 470. Sir, it can show decimal or fraction. Okay, you can leave it in fraction form. Okay, you can leave it in fraction form. That is 475 by 1500. So reduce it by 5. So you will get 19 by 60. 19 by 60 is the answer. So chosen a family having two girl child, probability is 19 by 60. It is clear to all of you? Yes or no? Quickly answer. It is clear? Okay. So this is question number 2. Okay, no. Question in this question, so many questions are there. So, and one girl child, that probability of the number of family having one girl child. One girl child, that equal to 1500, and one girl child. How many family have one girl child? That is 814. 814. So reduce it 407 by 750. It is the answer. 407 by 750. Yes. Any doubt, anyone? Next question. Next question and the third question, that is number of families having two girls, having 0 girls. Number of family having 0 girl child. 0 girl child. So how many families are there in which family they don't have any girl child? How many families are there? You can probability fraction, because Jitita, you know that I hope you have asked this question from your knowledge, that probability range is 0 to 1. So maximum is 1 and minimum is 0, or equal to not greater than 1 and not less than 0. So that range lies between 0 and 1. So between 0 and 1 there is no integer. So only fractions are there. That's why maximum type your answer is in fraction. Got it? I hope you have that knowledge. From that knowledge you ask that question. Is it? Yes or no? Previous day I have discussed it better. The range of probability, what is sure event, what is impossible event, by base that if it is -2, it is possible event or impossible event. It is possible, why it is not possible. All of these points that I have discussed here. Okay, ask to Annesa. Annesa, I have not discussed it here. Two is impossible event means no. If it is 2, that is beyond the probability condition. Okay, if it is 0, if it in probability sense, if it is 0, then you can take it is impossible event. Okay, it is impossible event. And probability getting 2, it means you have done wrong somewhere. Okay. Probability is always less than 1. Always less than 1, and less than equal, not less than 1, less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 0. Okay, lie between 0 to 1. Yes, close interval 0 to 1. Yes, 0 to 1. It is impossible to get 2 from your in your syllabus. That is a probability equal to 2. It is not possible. Okay, so how can it possible? Because favorable case by possible cases, and get equal to 2 means your favorable cases, the number of favorable cases more than possible cases. It is not possible. It is not possible. That is not related to finding probability. Got it, Riddhita? If it is 2, it means number of favorable cases is more than number of possible cases. When it is possible? It cannot possible. Okay. Now zero girl child, that is how many families have zero girl child? How many families have zero girl child? That is 211. Okay, 211. And I hope all, if you sum that 211, 814 and 814 and 250 or 225, what have given? That 19 by 60, if you add 19 by 60, 407 by 750 and 211 by 1500, you will get the probability 1. You will get the probability 1. Okay, got it everyone? Now question number 3. Reference to example 5 in exercise section 14.4, the chapter. Okay, one figure is there. The find the probability a student of class was born in August. Okay, first of all, total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class, that is question number 3. Total number of student in the class, that is, okay, not 40 students are there. 40 students are there, and just example 5, just observe that curve in August month, month of August, 6 student was born. ঠিক আছে, 6 students, yes, 6 students were born. ঠিক আছে, so the probability that student on the class was born in August, therefore the probability of the students was born in month of August so 40 students are there. How many students born in the month of August? That is 6. So 3 by 20. What is the probability? That is 3 by 20. Got it everyone? So up to this student, up to question number 3 I have solved here. Okay, solve here. Next I am discussing 2 or 3 MCQ, because these are very much important. That's why. So I have ended the probability here. Next day, I hope tomorrow you will have my class. I will start from question number 4, but now start MCQ question. Okay. Yes, Ridita, simplest form is necessary for that question. Actually, when we get to the fraction form, maximum time we change it in the simple form. Okay, question number 1. The longest rod can be stored at a room, in a room having dimension option A 16 meter, option B 15 meter, option C 20 meter, option D none of these. And question number 2, two questions I will solve. Okay, how many packet how many packet having dimension can be stored in a pit, that is option A 480, option B 4800, option C 320, option D none of these. Okay, now I am giving the dimension, that is 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter, 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter. Oh sorry, having dimension 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter. Option and question number 2, that diving dimension 5 centimeter into 25 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter into 25 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 5 25 and 10, 5 25 and 10 can be stored in a pit which 20 meter long, which is dimension 20 meter into 20 meter into 6 meter into 50 centimeter. Okay, now I am repeat the question. The longest rod can be put, not stored, can be placed. Okay, can be placed in a room having dimension 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter. Okay, and question number 2, how many packets having dimension 5 centimeter into 25 centimeter 10 centimeter can be stored in a pit the dimension 20 meter into 6 meter into 50 centimeter. Answer it quickly. 5 minutes for your answer time. 5, not 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes I will ask the answer. 3 minutes is enough, I think so. Didita, can you hear me? Okay, solve it quickly everyone. Just in this time I am taking your attendance. Quickly answer it. Raj, answer fast. Okay. Priyanshu, present you are. Santanu also present. Santanu. Okay, I have taken your attendance. Now tell me your answer. Okay, okay. Anyone? Except Shantanu, no one have answer. Answer 1 15 and answer 2. Oh my god, already 50, more than 3 minutes over. More than 3 minutes over. Vivek 15 meter. Okay. Number 2. Actually, Riddhita, you are answering. I want that answer. I want that answer from that Santunu's form. Number 1, 15. Number 2, 270. In that form, I have asked. Okay, time is over. Only wants to. No one of you have having getting 2 and 2. Okay. So answer. Even Riddhita and Vivek also failed to answer. Even Riddhita and Vivek also failed. So first of all, we know that 10 meter into 10 meter into 15 meter. So that is the length, breadth and height. And in a room, maximum longest dot can be placed. Longest dot can be placed. That is longest rod can be placed, that is diagonal. So diagonal equal to, you know that diagonal equal to 10 square is 100, 10 square 100 and 15 25. So it is 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means 15. 2 to 5 means 15. Got it everyone? 2 to 5 means 15 it is. Okay. And next one, so 15 meter, option B is the right answer. And sir, I have answered by message and not going. I don't know why. Okay. And number two. First of all, volume of the pit, that is 200 meter. Sorry. Now, what to be multiplied to meter change into centimeter? For changing meter to centimeter. Meter to centimeter. 100. Okay, so 20 into 100, length into breadth also 6 into 100, and 50 centimeter is the height, length, breadth and height. And volume of pit by volume of back packet, that is 5 into 25 into 10. So you will get 0, 0, 5, 5, 25, 4. So 24 into 20 into 100. So how many answer? That is 480. 480 into 100. Okay, something is wrong there, students. Okay, 20 into, that is 0, 0. (4800) answer. 48,000 is the answer. What is the answer? Riddhita and Vivek, anyone? That my answer is coming, that is 48000. 400, 488. Shubham, option D, I think. Yes, but here not 4800, 48000. 20 into 100 into 6 into 100 into 50. So calculation is 5 into 25. So it is 4. 4 into 2000. Actually 4 into 24 into 2000. 48,000. Okay. In my calculation it is 48,000. Okay, check it, that sum. 48,000 or 4800? Which one? Check the calculation please. 2480. Okay, practice this sum. Next day I will solve it again. Okay, if there is any mistake, next day I will solve it again. Thank you students. Bye. I hope you have enjoyed this class little bit. Thank you everyone, because I have the next class yet also.